Suddenly, a flock of colorful birds flew by. "What is it that you are looking for?" they asked. Then the green bird replied, "Nothing." "Okay then, come with us," replied the colorful birds. Then the green bird flapped his wings and joined the flock. At once the blue bird too did the same and forgot about his fear of flying. They flew high, they flew low, they flew here, they flew there. "How wonderful it is to fly!" exclaimed the bluebird. Soon it was time for him to go back home. When